Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 22. It is from the Chapter 3 Review Exercises of College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, so we need to find the domain and express it using interval notation. All right, the domain contains all the allowed inputs or x values. And so the only restrictions we have on the input is that we have no division by 0 and no negative square roots. Okay, so we have f of x is the quantity x minus 6. We're going to take the square root of that divided by the quantity x minus 4, square root of that. All right, so the x minus 4 has to be greater than 0. And we're not going to allow it to be 0 because it's in the denominator. So let's add 4 to both sides. And we find that x must be greater than 4. All right, the quantity x minus 6 has to be greater than or equal to 0. And that's because it's in the numerator, so we can allow it to be equal to 0. So if we add 6 to both sides, we see that x must be greater than or equal to 6. All right, so let's use a number line to sort this out. Let's just suppose 4 is there, 6 is there, and that's the direction of positive x. All right, so we said x must be greater than 4, but it's not allowed to be 4. So we use an open circle, and we allow x to be anything bigger than 4. The other restriction we have is that x must be greater than or equal to 6. So we allow the value 6 so we can color in our dot, and then anything bigger. Okay, so our overall answer has to be where both of these are satisfied, and that's from 6 on and including the 6. So we can say the domain is, and we have to use interval notation, and so since 6 is allowed, we will use a bracket, and then it can be anything after that, so anything bigger than 6, so it's going to go from 6 to infinity. Infinity is never included, so we always use a parentheses. All right, that's going to do it for that problem. I hope you found that helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.